I hope you're ready because now we get to the fun part. I'm going to show you how to make an espresso, cappuccino, and latte with a Casabrews 3700 Pro. But be careful before making your first cup of cappuccino or latte because there may be some cold water left in the milk frothing system, which will make the first cup taste a little watery. So to avoid this, we suggest that before making that first cup, press and hold the cappuccino button for 3 seconds. Then let the machine pump milk for another 3 seconds. And finally, drain the remaining water in the milk frothing system. Let's start by choosing the right coffee grounds first. The particular taste and aroma of coffee beans depends on the result of the growing and roasting process. It's recommended to buy coffee grounds suitable for espresso. If you're looking for that classic, dark, rich coffee flavor, we recommend buying a dark roast coffee. The espresso machine requires finely ground coffee. If you buy it pre-ground, and if you rather buy your coffee beans and grind them yourself, adjust your grinder to find the most suitable coarseness to get that perfect cup of coffee. In addition, I want to share with you the different types of coffee grounds and the best way to use them. We classify coffee grounds into 5 grind sizes. Powdered sugar is good for Turkish coffee. Table salt is good for espresso. Sea salt is good for pour over and drip. Less chunky is good for French press. And chunky is good for cold brew. So, for making espresso, you should buy coffee grinds that are ground for espresso, roughly about table salt fineness. Now, unfortunately, we don't sell coffee grounds at the moment, but these can be easily found on Amazon. Just search for coffee grounds for espresso and then you will find lots of options. Before placing the portafilter into the brew head, we need to choose between using a single sieve or a double sieve. Let's choose the single sieve and put it into the portafilter. Then use the coffee spoon we prepared for you to get the coffee grounds into the portafilter. Now watch, because this is a step they do at the coffee shops that most people miss out on: tamping. I'm going to use the coffee tamper and press the coffee grounds until they're good and firm in this 52mm portafilter. Now, by doing this, we can get all those delicious flavors out. And you'd be surprised how many of those wonderful flavors you miss out on if you skip this step. Because when the coffee grounds are tamped, the water needs to force its way through the pile. This means that the water is interacting with the coffee grounds longer and running through the entire cake of grounds. This combination of time and distribution results in a fuller flavor for the espresso shot. And remember, after tamping, we need to wipe the coffee grounds off from the edge of the portafilter to avoid any potential blockages.